me, hon.
Hey, Twerp! Why aren't you doing your chores? It's Saturday. But anything could happen. I wish the aliens... this doesn't look good.
What's worse?
I guess you have a plan.
It's a party anyway, Star. Four more stars isn't too hard. It's like collecting one star 4 times. There's no escape, little star.
Nearly halfway there. 3 stars to go.
Three stars. That's pretty good. 1, 2, here we go.
An alien. Looks like a Yugobatanian.
Those pesky Hugo potatoes.
They hate nice things.
I guess we're going to find out just how nice you can be. Whee! It's fun to run around in circles.
If you find one more star, you can make a wish. Just 5 stars. I can make a wish.
Break stuff.
Just 5 stars. I can make a wish.
Use it wisely, sweetie, or just have some fun.
Well, I need a way to get through these beaten up houses.
They are pretty wrecked. I suppose a few more walls wouldn't be a problem.
We're power blocks now.
Use us to break stuff. Why are aliens scared of kids?
You have to ask. Oh no, more rubble.
It's rubble to you, but it's home to that star. We've been lucky to get this far.
Skillful, you mean.
We've been lucky to get this skillful. 4 more stars isn't too hard. It's like collecting 1 star 4 times. I see a star in the living room.
It's getting away.
I wonder if you can buy Yugo potato chips.
Grab the star. Yugopotamians are scared of nice things like chocolate. Grab the star. Grab the star. Grab the star. This neighborhood needs tidying. Nearly halfway there. 3 stars to go. There's a star in that truck.
That's a strange place to park.
An unidentified flying object.
I've identified it. It's a spaceship.
Careful!
That's my mark.
Just like that. Let's make a wish.
We've been lucky to get this far.
Skillful, you mean?
We've been
Kristen cheat card. How cool.
and in fresh mint condition.
It's a full 5 stars. My wand is humming.
What are you going to wish for this time?
Surrounded by aliens.
If we had enough power, we could conjure the real crash.
But we'll have to make do with tin attachments.